Hey you!
Who, me?
Yeah, you!
Mom?
Are you tired of hitting the books every time you want to know what white blood cell has the greatest concentration?
Yeah.
Do you wish you memorized that order?
Yes, I do.
Then I've got the perfect solution for you.
Well, what is it?
Never let monkeys eat bananas.
Huh?
Never let monkeys eat bananas. It's a memory aid which helps you to memorize the white blood cells ordered by their relative concentration. Never stands for neutrophil. Let stands for lymphocyte. Monkeys stands for monocyte. Eat stands for eosinophil. Banana stands for basophil. And these are the relative concentrations. There you go.
Thank you.